If you just open App Store on your iPhone or iPad, here you can tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and that will provide you with the information regarding your Apple account inside App Store. And you can simply scroll all the way down, and here you get the option to sign out. Simply tap on sign out, and this will sign out your Apple ID from App Store. But the problem is this only signs out your Apple ID from App Store, not from your iPhone. Because if you go to settings, here you can see there is your Apple ID still logged in. So how do you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad and erase all data before selling or handing it over to any other member of your family? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReviewPro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad and erase all data. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad, you have to first of all go to settings, and when you are in settings, you can simply tap on this profile icon or your account name, and this will provide you with the information regarding your Apple account. And further, you can simply scroll all the way down and tap on this sign out button, and that will sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad. But before you do that, you have to ensure that you have backed up all your data before signing out, because if you just sign out, you will lose your data and you might not be able to recover that later on new iPhone. For that, you have to first of all go to settings and tap on this profile icon or your account name, and after that you have to scroll a bit and tap on iCloud. Here you can see various information related to your iCloud account. You can simply scroll a bit, and here you get the option for iCloud backup. You can see it was failed last time, so tap on this, and after that enable this toggle next to backup this iPhone. And further, you can ensure that the data is backed up right now. For that, simply scroll a bit and tap on this backup now button, and your backup will start on your iPhone, and this backup will be saved in your iCloud account. But in case you have lots of data on your iPhone and your iCloud has only 5 GB of free storage, then in that case you can get unlimited iCloud storage from Apple. And for that, you have to go back and try a different method. Simply go back to settings and then scroll and tap on general, and this will take you inside general settings. Here you need to scroll a bit, and all the way down you will see this transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that, and here you get the option to prepare your iPhone for a new iPhone. That means you can simply get all data from this iPhone and transfer it to another iPhone. For that, simply tap on get started, and after that, it will provide you with the extra iCloud storage space completely free for up to 21 days. And this is unlimited iCloud storage just for storing your iCloud backup. So simply tap on continue, and after that your data will be uploaded and backed up on iCloud, and that data will remain for 21 days. So make sure you restore your data on the new iPhone before 21 days, because after 21 days the data will be removed from the iCloud's server. So let the iCloud back up your data, and after that you are ready to reset your iPhone and erase all data. So tap done and simply go back and just do your usual stuff. And after a few minutes, when you will open settings again, you will see this iCloud backup is in progress, and after that you are ready to erase your iPhone or iPad. For that, let's learn the process. You can simply go to general again, and inside general settings, scroll all the way down and go to the same transfer or reset option on your iPhone. Here you can see there is erase all content and settings, and there is reset as well. When you tap on erase all content and settings, you will notice that it will provide you with the information about what data will be erased, and if you have got any eSIM here installed on your iPhone, that will also be removed. So before you do, make sure you transfer your eSIM from one iPhone to another so that you can continue using your cellular services. If you want to learn how to transfer your eSIM from one iPhone to another, make sure you tap here to watch this video. And once you have transferred your eSIM from this iPhone and you are ready to delete eSIM from here, you can simply tap continue, and then further tap on this option delete eSIM and erase data, because you don't want to keep eSIM here in case you are handing it over to another person or selling it. So you don't need to keep eSIM, just tap on delete eSIM and erase data, and after that everything will be deleted from this iPhone and erased. And by the way, the process is same on iPad as well. So this is how you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad and erase all data before selling. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.